Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix green screen problem in smart TVs. So in order to fix this type of problem, I have 5 solutions for you. So you can try them one by one until you fix this problem. So in the first method, you can try to restart your TV. So if your TV green screen issue is caused by the temporary errors or the glitches in the TV, restarting the TV can solve the issue. So you just have to simply turn off your TV, then unplug the power cable from the TV and wall outlet for at least 60 seconds. Then you need to hold down the power button on the side of the TV for about 10 seconds to release the power. Replug the power cable and power on the TV to see whether the TV's green screen issue is resolved. If the problem still persists, it simply means that this error is not a temporary error. So you can try the second fix, in which you just have to simply replug the HDMI cable. So nowadays most of the TVs uses the HDMI cables, so to transfer the audios and video signals. So if the HDMI cable becomes loose, the image on the TV screen will be affected. Therefore you should make sure that the HDMI cable is connected to the HDMI port tightly and correctly. If necessary, you should also check the cables for damage. Third thing that you need to do is to simply try to disable the HDR mode. So HDR is a technology that is used to solve the issue that some details in the highlights or the shadows of a scene will become blurred. However, there are some TVs HDR mode can trigger the green screen and you need to disable it in the settings. So if the HDR mode is already disabled, you can also try opening it and check whether the issue is resolved. Fourth fix that I can suggest you is to simply update your TV's software, and after updating the softwares you just have to simply restart your PC or your TV. Then you just have to contact with the TV maintenance staff. So if all of the above methods doesn't work for you, then you should consider the TV screen issue is caused by the hardware fault. So in this case you should check the TV warranty, and if the TV is still under the warranty, you can contact the TV manufacturers for free maintenance and replacement. So these are some of the fixes that you can try. Thanks for watching this video. I see you next time.